Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to change the page background color for a page in Power BI. So let's start. So I'm going to use a couple of tools and I'm going to point them out as well. So the first one is called Instant Eyedropper. So let's say I want to select a background color. I'll use Instant Eyedropper for that. And then I'll go ahead and change the color. I've also got this file here, which I've uploaded to GitHub. I'll leave a link to the file name in the video notes so you can download the file and do the tutorial. You can actually do the tutorial with any other file that you've got. So let's start. So for example, I want to change the background color to be the same as the color for the Power BI icon, the yellow or that is here. So how do I do that? First I need to I've already installed Instant Eyedropper. So go and install that and then click on that and bring it over. So you can see it shows me the background color. So it's showing me it's EDBD11. So I'm going to make a note of that. And now I'll go to this and on the page, I'll just select on the page, and with the page selected, I'll just go on to the formatting tab and I'll go on to page background. So remember that the page is selected and no visual is selected. And once you are on the formatting tab, go to page background and here on colors, and I'll just click on custom colors and I will just put the and you can see it's giving me the same color. So I'm good with that. But what's going on here? It's still not changing the color. That's because of the transparency. So I'll minimize the transparency and I'll drag it to 0. And you can see that it's the same color now as the color for the Power BI icon. So you can use Instant Eyedropper to select any color that you want. And you can not only use it for your background color, for any visuals as well. So in this video, we discussed how to set the background color for a page, and we used Instant Eyedropper to select the color we wanted. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.